Finally got some jumps built for this thing back here. Just got a fresh snowstorm. After I plowed the driveway, decided to plow some jumps. Ooh, that's good for it. And I just blew one of the proline tires. One of the Badlands just started coming apart, that left rear. Well, no sense in being easy on it now. Oh yeah. There's some snow packed in that one. It's good for it. Shakes the snow out of her. Ooh, I keep getting her right into the house. That's good for it. Well, I didn't buy it so it could sit on the shelf and look pretty, that's for sure. Broke the piece of wood right in half. Mint. Oh, and we broke a drive shaft or something. We've only got 3-wheel drive. Let's go see what's going on. When I first got this thing, I could not break it. Now I break it every time I go out with it. I don't know if I stripped the hex or something. I mean, there's no point in going easy on it now. And now the other rear's gone. Yep, just broke the hex off the inside of this one too. Actually, maybe I just screwed the diff up. Yeah, I think the diff just went. Something else broke for sure. Look at that, there's smoke. There's smoke coming from in there. So, I think a bearing just went, or something went in the rear diff. So I guess I gotta get a diff for this thing now too. Well, what else can we break? I'm glad these things aren't just front wheel drive, because this isn't super efficient. I guess we might as well call that it for this episode, this video, because I think all we're going to do is spin some tires and tear up some snow here. And that's probably going to be pretty boring. So, check back in a week or two of me fixing this damn thing. and see what we can't make stronger. I might go to some steel drive shafts, and we might do some redneck trickery with the rear diff. We'll see. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a good one, guys.
It's good.